Vasil Ivanov Kunchev was born in the Sub-Balkan town of Karlovo to middle-class parents in 1837. He left Bulgaria to fight alongside the Serbians against the Ottomans, and it was there that he earned the name Levski, which can be translated to Lionlike. At the end of the 1860s, Levski developed a revolutionary theory that saw the Bulgarian liberation movement as an armed uprising of all Bulgarians in the Ottoman Empire. Levski's vision was that all religions and ethnic groups in a free Bulgaria, whether Bulgarians, Turks, Jews, or others, would enjoy equal rights. Levski then spent a year and a half, often traveling by foot and in disguise, establishing a wide network of secret committees throughout Bulgaria. Hunted by the Ottomans and with a huge price on his head, Vasil Levski decided to flee to Romania, but first he had to collect the documents that would reveal his nationwide network. However, he was arrested, taken to Tarnovo for interrogation, and sentenced to death by hanging. The sentence was carried out on 18 February 1873 in Sofia, where today the monument of Vasil Levski in Sofia now stands. The monument of Vasil Levski in Veliko Tarnovo was inaugurated in 1946. It was here that Levski passed as a prisoner on his way to Sofia for trial in December of 1872. Now he is considered the greatest of Bulgarian heroes. Vasil Levski was prepared to sacrifice his life for the revolution and place Bulgaria and the Bulgarian people above his own personal interests.